he is the only reality. ஓகே, இப்போ நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டிங்கிறது, இப்போ ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டிங்கிறது the entire thing is creation is ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி only. Suppose what is Jiva Sistina, there is no Jivan. Please understand very, very clearly. As others are talking, or maybe I don't know who is talking, who is not. There is no independently existing Jivan here.
Okay.
The entire creation, there is no Jiva. Jivan கிடையாது. எது ஜீவன் சொல்றோம்னா, suppose something is happening. It is not acceptable to me. I am resisting.
Okay.
I am resisting what is and seeking what is not. This resisting what is and seeking what is not, the tendency is Jiva Sisti.
Okay.
There is nothing like Jiva who is resisting. It is not that Raghavan who is resisting. It is not Raghavan who is seeking. No. The tendency to resist and seek is called Jiva.
Okay.
This tendency is inherently in all living beings.
அந்த அப்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் வர இடத்துல ஜீவபாவம்ங்கிறது வருது. அந்த அப்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்
என்னங்க அப்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்றியோ, என்னங்க you are bringing in time element. You are seeking something which is not what is now.
Okay.
That is your introduction of a time element in the form of thought is called Jiva. See, இப்போ ஒன்று இருக்கு, you are not accepting what is because you think this has to change. This may change or may not change through you, but you now presently you are wanting to avoid, you are trying to seek. This clearly means you are introducing a time element where the time is not there. This introduction of time element is called Jiva.
Okay.
Or otherwise, to simply put it, what next? The tendency, what next, is called Jiva. See, it is a purely science. It has nothing to do with religion. It has nothing to do with God. It has nothing to do with Ramana Maharishi. It has nothing to do with Vivekananda. It has nothing to do with Ramanujan. It has nothing to do with Shankara. It is nothing. What I am telling you, I don't know whether you are a science student. What is it? Space-time continuum. You must have heard of space-time. Space-time are not two independent reality. Space-time continuum is a single reality. That's similarly here, existence consciousness is not two things. It is a single thing. But seemingly it gets divided. Seemingly it appears to be divided. Because when you resist something, that some resistance is there, some seeking is there. It obviously means as if there is a person. It is only as if